You're watching Theme Park Worldwide. Well, we're here at Gröna Lund in Stockholm, Sweden, and we're on Ikaros.
We are.
This is a 90-meter tall drop tower. It's actually my favorite drop tower anywhere in the world. The view from this is crazy. Built by Intamin, opened back in 2017. What really makes this is the fact that we don't actually just go up and drop down.
No, we don't.
We tilt to a 90-degree angle, looking straight down at the park. How are you feeling, Charlotte? Well, to be honest, Charlotte has got a lot better with drop towers, which is good. But yeah, what's nice is you get quite a bulky restraint, but you certainly need it when you see what's about to happen to us at the top. Here we go. Rider cam POV. I mean, this would be pretty scary for most people. But watch what happens now. Oh my God, we're tilting down. Oh, 90 degrees, 90 meters. You ready? Here we go. Oh my God. Wow, that swing, the brakes are so low, it's an epic ride. Honestly, do one final thing to say, get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.